Well guys, I think I'm finally starting to get the hang of this thing. It only took me like forever before. That right there, what you just saw, took me about an hour, maybe a little bit less. I don't know why the other side, or why I was having so much trouble the other day, but I don't know. So I got those done, didn't want to bore you. So today we're gonna get some other stuff done on the truck. Not sure what yet. Probably just work on little things here and there. Actually, we're gonna work on getting the, I got a leak in power steering hose, and man, those things are a pain in the butt sometimes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that done, and then see what else we can get done from there. So let's do it. So guys, I don't know how well you can see in here, but behind here, there is a line to the back of the power steering that's leaking on mine. That is such a horrible spot for that thing, so I'm not gonna do that. So if any of you guys have any advice as to how to get that thing out of there, put them down in the comments, because man, that is like really shitty. I don't know who came up with that. So instead, we're gonna do one of these. So I needed to replace my window motors. I already got this thing off. On mine it's broken, so I literally just lifted and slid it off. It's kind of funny, you can see in here there's some like glass and all kinds of stuff. I'm assuming someone probably broke in this eventually at one point. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape this up so it stays in the upright position. I'm gonna start undoing these bolts and get this out so I can put the new one in. Take some tape, like this is just Gorilla tape, and I'm gonna try to secure that window so it doesn't go falling down when I take this track out. It shouldn't take much to hold this up, but we'll see. That should be enough. If not, oh well. So there's two nuts down here you want to hold on to, because you're going to want to reuse them, more than likely. Connect the little harness under here. There we go. Boom. So now we can see this thing was just busted. We'll do this the same way that we did the other one. But first, I'm gonna get all this glass out of here. This shop vac has seen better days. There we go. Now we can put this sucker back in here. Finally. There we go. There's the trick. Alright. Take these screws out first, I guess, because they don't like to fit through those holes. I'll put this one in. So these two right here, got one hidden here, and then one over here. But before we do that one, let's make sure we hook up this harness. There we go. Okay. Now it should fit. Boom. Nice and easy. Put this one in. I'll put this long bolt over here in this corner. Okay. Okay, that's good. So now I'm gonna go turn the power on to get these things to go up so we can clamp them on there. This should work. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we just need to guide these suckers on there. We'll loosen them up a bit. Ooh, started playing some tunes. See if it works. Looks pretty good to me. And just double check these, make sure they're on there good. Boom. We got windows again, at least in this door. Well, unfortunately, I went to go in here and this thing's all screwed up, but it turns out it's a different size thing. Like, this is our blown up window motor, but so yeah, so unfortunately I don't have the parts to do this side yet, so we'll do that a different day. But what we're gonna do instead, we're gonna swap this piece out, because right now my door doesn't have like any way to like stop itself, so I'm gonna swap this thing from the other door. Okay, you guys might have a little trouble seeing this, but there's two little nuts that we got to get to in here. Can't really see them very well, just have to kind of do it by feel. What a shitty thing. Oh yeah, it was broken. So here's what a good one looks like. This is the one from my old door. There's like these two ball bearings in there that hold this bar in place. This one's obviously missing something. So that's why this thing was such junk. So yeah, let's get the new one up. Got that new one there. Well, it's old, but hooked up, good to go. And that's that. Should be nice. Now it at least see, it'll stop. Got a little bit more traction in it. Boom. Well, I think that's pretty much as we're gonna get done with the truck today. So tomorrow we're gonna work on getting this stuff off, this trim. Probably get these badges off, fix some of these dents. Some of these dents are kind of messed up. Probably get rid of these decals, clean all this stuff up, maybe fix a couple of these little things. Alright guys, so I don't know what's going on with the thing right now, but my camera like cut out. I guess I lost some of the footage. But anyway, point is, we're prepping the car for Plasti Dip. I know we haven't gone over like a color reveal or anything like that, but it's pretty out there, so it's gonna be interesting. I really want to get this thing dipped before school starts, like the following week. So I'm gonna try to get it done if I can. If I can't, oh well, whatever. But I'm gonna at least take some steps towards it. So I got a few things I want to take care of. Like, I need to get off the fender flares. I need to get the fender flares off. Just because I only have two in the front and I have none in the rear. And I'm probably just gonna get some bushwhackers eventually, but for right now we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to take them off so it's all even. And then yeah, just try to clean it up a little bit. That's kind of the goal for tomorrow. We'll see how much of it we actually get done, but I'm just going to take as many steps as I can, get as much done as I can. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this, smash that like button. If you didn't, dislike it. You guys know the drill, and if you don't, subscribe so that way you can be a part of the drill. But anyway guys, I hope you all have a great night, and just remember, keep drifting fun.
I can't lie, mesmerized by fighting eyes. I'm so high, be watching while I'm mesmerized. Fighting eyes. I'm so high, be watching while I'm mesmerized. Fighting eyes. I'm so high, be watching while I'm mesmerized. Fighting eyes. I'm so high.